Hello everyone. Today we're Group 2 presenting our proposed title, Copy Ordering and Management System. Context: establishing the boundaries, terminologies, and operational hurdles of the modern web to integrative programming system. Web application development, the engineering of interactive functional software that operates seamlessly within a standard browser. Unlike the static reach or web application that dynamically process inputs, fetch live data, coordinate, coordinate, and compile context-driven feedback instantly, acting a structural interface between a end-user instruction and internal server nodes. In integrative programming, a programmatic stitch work that a blends this distinct technology a sub-compromise into a synchronized, a highly cohesive ecosystem for a copy system. It aligns the HTML to secure the object-oriented PHP controller layer and normalize relational structure. The advantage is scalability, decopulating of front-end markups from back-end API routes and simplifies vertical extension, such as introducing external delivery API for expanding table layouts, centralization, centralization, updates to product prices, and employees' permission are executed in one database table and reflected across the visual client windows in real time. Error reduction, replacing a handwritten orders a paper chains with secure transactional SQL update and completely isolated business calculation from human ledger mistake. So the proposed system function in interactive menu management, admin control catalog, updates containing categorical assignment, a transactional order, processing a generates distinct serialized queue, sequence ID mapped directly to either dine-in or takeout order environment. A dynamic modifier customization enables real-time order modifier, like a custom drink where there's a temperature, sweetness, and optional premium add-ons. A lifecycle status orchestration or the back-end workflow of the manager or the admin that tracks the order state or status, where there's a pending, preparing, and complete, alongside a distinct payment flags. For project, our project objectives are a highly robust. Wait lang. Our research objectives is a first engineering a highly robust secure relational database schema to preserve the structural transaction history across the product, category, and item. Second is implementing object-oriented PHP and API backends to facilitate the flawless of the visual data updates by a standardized Ajax and JSON responses. A streamlining copy counters checkout speed and by replacing archaic paper receipts with a high-performance single-page application.
So for chapter 2, we have technical architecture. We have user and products. For the table 1 user, we use system credential and access levels. In the field name, we had ID, and the data type of that is integer. The description is primary key auto-incrementing identification tag. We have username, we use varchar. User authentication, handle unique login name. Password, we use varchar. Secure, pause. We use varchar as the data type to be more secure. Has ano? What? For operational privileges and configuration for admin and cashier. In the table 2, we have products to hold beverage and bakery inventory catalog. We use the data types of int, varchar, and decimal for the ID, name, and price. Description was primary key auto incrementing item ID, descriptive name of the food and drink item, monetary base cost, and standard decimal layout. And the table and for the table 3, we have orders who holds detailed receipt and mapping ledger. In the field name, we used ID, order group, order queue, product ID, status, payment status, customization. For the data type, we used int varchar text. Primary key auto incrementing unique transaction ID. Operational dispatch pathway categorizer, e.g., dine in and take out. Sequence daily identifier for current queue track. Foreign key mapping back to the product's primary index ID. The referration lifecycle checkpoint, pending, preparing, and completed. Monetary collection indicator status tracker, unpaid and paid. Dynamic options, payload, text storage, and string. For the system development stack, we use SAMP, host Apache HTTP local server environment to test PHP routes on local hosts integrating MariaDB SQL capabilities effortlessly. VS Code, high, high efficiency workspace. Code in editor used for logical composition of modular PHP APIs, CSS layouts, and vanilla JS models. Postman API, ensure database transactional reliability by isolating endpoints, get and post validation loops during construction phases. We also use MySQL, the core RDBMS engine that maintains the relational database matrices, processing table join operation under index definition.
For results and live demonstrations, interactive walkthrough of interface designs, reconstruct using high system mock-up screenshots. First, we have a login form. So minimalist gateway to system access control restricts portal actions exclusively to recognize staff personnel with validated accounts. The core functions is dynamic reductions, mapping is we have a admin, dashboard staff, POS, POS menu, and second is hidden password mask controls checking for secure SQL lookup matching. Second is customize modal. Modifier configurations um, ensures high menu flexibility by adjusting dynamic drink properties during user order compositions. The core functions is collect customer preferences into a dynamic JavaScript object bundle, calculate subtotal values live depending on chosen additions. Third is staff menu view. In the primary ordering canvas, designed to coordinate busy mornings, service query, compiling multiple items smoothly under categorical grid selections. The core functions is categorize grid layout of products, pull live via read API, direct visuals, um, use and current items drawer integration. Next. Checkout preview. Printable says validation enables rapid receipt validation checkups, compiling modifiers and quantities under highly accurate decimal alignments. The core functions is first complete itemizations, listing dynamic modifications perfectly. Second is consolidates payment records before pushing states to the SQL server. Next. libQA monitor. Kitchen dispatch coordinations ensures real-time synchronizations between order entries and preparation process. Core functions is instant state transitions actions, pending, preparing, and serve. Helps reduce customer wait times by optimizing counter handovers. The, the customized modal System Control Center, role-based access controls, which is the admin panel. The core function is act as the core management layer of the application, restricted exclusively to authorized managers or admin. The user account management, creating and revoking stop access credentials. In summary, through this project, we learned how to build an automated role-based cafe ordering system that replaces manual record keeping by combining a MySQL database with an organized user interface to track live orders and store revenues efficiently. The system serves as a digital backbone for cafe operations, minimizing human error, ensuring data consistency, and providing faster, so more reliable service. Front of house front of house staff can now effortless process customer specifications such as sweetness levels, drink temperature, and add-ons and track active queries in real time. On the back end, administration gain an analytical overview of business health, allowing them to manage the product catalog and provisions employee accounts securely. So the conclusion, operational efficiency shifting from manual logs to an integrated, relational web applications effectively synchronizes ordering workflows, speeding up service and reducing manual entry mistakes. Second is role-based control, separating the application into distinct staff and admin modules, giving front counter employees the exact tools they need to configure orders while giving cafe owners the secure metrics they need to evaluate sales and performance. Third is the data security. The implementations of secure login, masking, and a dedicated user management dashboard guarantees that sensitive business adjustments like dropping credentials or modifying item prices remain completely restricted to authorized manager. The recommendations to support the future development of this action research, the following improvements are suggested. First is we have a cloud database migration. Transition the system from a local server, which is designed to a secure cloud platform so that management summaries and real-time tracking can be accessed remotely from any location. Second is advanced financial analytics. Expand the admin dashboard overview by adding visual charts, performance graphs, and downloadable sales reports to help owners analyze long-term revenue trends easily. Third is customer-facing self-service. Integrate a customer ordering portal or QR code web system that lets guests place and customize their orders directly from their tables, sending the data straight to the staff's live transactions records.